You can't handle the truth.
How much social media do you consume on a daily basis? How much social media should you be consuming daily? Hello everybody, my name is Ifan Yuba and this is 360 Degree Mastery. This is the channel where we teach you personal effectiveness, self-mastery, and how to create, grow, and manage your wealth. Now, for those people who know me, they know that last year I went through an episode where I had some anxiety disorder. And in the course of my treatment, my therapy, I found out that apart from being under a tremendous amount of stress and also having some unresolved trauma that I had not dealt with, I also was consuming an inordinate amount of social media. I was always online. I was always clicking and swiping, and that contributed to, my fragile mental state. And that is why today I want to talk to you about the proper way to use social media. Some of us are addicted to our devices. Some of us cannot drop our phones. We are always scrolling. We are always posting. We are always looking for followers, looking for likes, seeking validation online. Now, the effect of this is it affects us emotionally, it affects us mentally, it affects us psychologically. I'm not even going to talk about the financial, ramifications of always being on social media. I'm just going to talk about the risk to your mental health. That's why today I want to tell you the proper way to use social media. Now, the first thing that you need to do if you want to use social media properly is you need to manage your privacy settings. Your privacy is important to you. I've done a video before in the past where I talked about certain things that you should not post on social media, some things you shouldn't talk about online, about yourself or about your family. You need to manage your privacy settings. You need to make sure that you know who can access what you put online. It's very important. Some people, they put, all their posts and they make it public, and anybody and his brother can see what they're doing online. That is not very good. You need to manage your privacy settings. You need to have a list of select friends who can see certain content that you have online. That's the first thing you need to do, manage your privacy settings. The second thing you need to do is to remember that once posted, it's always posted. Once you put something online, then it is online for life. You cannot take it down. You cannot delete it. That is one secret that I found out, a long time ago. Once you put something on the internet, it is always there. You can delete it from your system. You can delete it from your account, but it is always there. Somebody can always access it. And once you put it out there, it remains out there. So remember that once posted, always posted. Anything that you do not want people to see about you online, then do not put it on social media. The third thing that you need to do is you need to build a positive online reputation. Build a positive online reputation. Don't go about posting negative and unwholesome things on the internet. It doesn't speak well of you. If you have your opinion, political opinions, you don't need to go online and begin to post things that are offensive to other cultures, other races, other religions. It doesn't speak well of you. You don't have to post gory pictures and videos that somebody sent to you or that you stumbled on the internet. It doesn't speak well of you. You need to build a positive online reputation so that when people come to your page, they can be sure that they are going to see something wholesome. They're going to see something uplifting. They will not see something that would offend their senses. The fourth thing that you need to do and remember is you need to protect your computer, protect your devices, password your systems. I've done videos where I've talked about online security. Okay, have a two-step verification security system on your devices, on your laptops, on your phones. It is very, very important. Protect your computers. People cannot go in, you cannot hack your accounts and post things in your name, or defraud others using your identity. Protect your devices. And also, in the same vein, protect your senses. Protect your senses. There's a lot of negative content online. You need to stay clear of them. It's not every site that you go into. It's not every video you click on. It's not every meme that you click on. It's not every message, from a random stranger that you open. Protect your senses. There are some things that you will see. You can't unsee them. They have ruined your day. They have put a bad taste in your mouth and you're just going to have to suffer it. Okay, some of these things can affect us psychologically. They can affect us emotionally. They can even affect our spiritual walk. So protect your senses. It is very, very important. And then number 6 is that you need to have a timetable. Have a timetable. Don't be online all the time, every single day. Have a timetable. When it is time to work, you work. When it is time for you to scroll and enjoy some content on the internet, then you go ahead and do so. All right. Don't be online all the time. The moment you wake up in the morning, you pick up your device and you are scrolling and checking and clicking. it doesn't tell well of you. You are not a productive person that way, and trust me, it's going to affect you negatively. And in the same vein, number 7, you need to detox regularly. You need to detoxify yourself, detoxify your mind, detoxify your spirit. Sometimes just switch the device off, put it to one side, sit in silence by yourself. You can meditate, you can study, a religious book, you can read something nice, or you can just spend some time with family, real time. Learn how to detox from social media. Social media can be very destructive. Fine, I use it. That is where I sell, my goods and my services. I used to communicate to you, but please and please don't let social media take over your life. It is very important. How do you see this video? If this video was helpful, please go ahead and click like, share this video with somebody who needs it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check me out on social media, but please and please do not overdo it. My name is Ifeanyi Ubah, and this is 360 Degree Mastery. I will see you next week with more tips and more information on how you can live a happy and successful, better life with peace of mind. Namaste.